TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is revolutionizing industries like natural gas systems, oil and gas transportation, pharmaceutical production, nuclear energy, food manufacturing, and electronics manufacturing. Let's take a closer look at its impact on clean pipeline systems. In industries where sterile environments are essential, such as pharmaceuticals, electronics, and food processing, the TATE machine ensures welds are not only strong but also hygienic. Its automated orbital welding system produces smooth, contamination-free weld seams that meet strict industry standards for cleanliness and precision. This technology is ideal for installing and maintaining pipelines in cleanrooms and aseptic production facilities, ensuring uninterrupted operations and safeguarding product quality. With its ability to handle various materials, from stainless steel to nickel alloys, the TATE machine delivers reliability you can trust. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing tailored OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Reach out to us at info@optate.com for more information about this cutting-edge solution.